Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can combine PDF file with WPS Abyss application. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we're going to open up our WPS Abyss application, and if we want to combine PDF, we need to go to the PDF menu here and then click on New, and here you will see Combine option. Tap on that and select the PDF files you want to combine. And I'm just going to pick random files from here, click on Open, and you can simply click on Convert. But unfortunately guys, this feature is for the pro user, so you need to subscribe to WPS if you want to use this feature. But don't worry, because here I want to give you the alternative to combine PDF files without the WPS. You can go to your browser and then search for this small PDF website. You can visit this website to combine your PDF files. We can choose the merge PDF, choose files here, and I'm just going to select random file from my device, click on Open. Okay, and then you can arrange the page like this. You can drag it, and then once you're done, you can click on Finish, and you can click on Download to download the merged PDF files. Just click on Download. Okay, and this is the result. I'm going to go to my File Explorer to check it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to combine PDF files. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!